Alright, so I'm gonna do a little, make a little rake, I think, out of, I got this metal strapping off of a reel of cable at work, and, I made a little pick out of it before. It was just kind of a test. Kind of went a little too hard with it and bent it, but I think I'm gonna make an attempt at another one and see how it comes out. So yep, stay tuned. Alright, so we got the piece. You know, it's a little bit wider than my hand. Should be fairly good. I'm gonna make the outline and see how it goes. So I just kind of scratched a rough outline into the strapping to guide myself. I honestly like to pretty much freehand everything for the most part. Kind of fun. But yeah, just a little guide. Oh yeah, and here's my tools. Just got a little old Dremel, and I actually picked this guy up from Harbor Freight for friggin' $10. On it came with all the bits and everything. Honestly, not much power in this guy, but I think as long as you got a good little decent attachment, it'll do some work for you. I use it all the time. Use this guy for heavy cutting, but either that or you can get one. Walmart actually has some decent stuff, it looks like. I've been checking on their pricing, and I mean, you can pick up a regular little Dremel for $30, you know, probably. So alright, so this is how I start off with these. I kind of cut off some big chunks, and then I'll slowly grind it down to the shape I want. Alright, so I pretty much got my rough outline. Time to start grinding my way into making those. Alright, so as you can see, pretty much there. I'm just gonna work my way towards the tip. I got that pretty much how I want it. Now I'm gonna kind of work my way back and even everything out. So essentially, here's the final product. I think I'm gonna call it the Heart Attack, because it looks like a heart monitor, fucking cardiac rhythm. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna try the Heart Attack against an American 1100. I'm not a good raker. This is gonna be one of my first raking attempts, hopefully. Gets captured on camera. I don't know what the tough thing about raking is to for me is knowing I actually get to open, because I'm using light tension. I feel like it might be bending my tension. Something ain't right with my tension wrench. Oh, it's a typical. It's hard to do without popping this guy out of the top. Of course, I got it when I was in a little quick trial, like literally got it like right away. Maybe let me try sticking it in. Woo! Pull it right out. Oh, I got it. There we go. I didn't think that was gonna happen like that. Oh, one zip straight in. Boom! The heart attack. It's one of my first successful raking attempts, and it was on a American Lock 1100 with it's got all serrated and one serrated spool in it. At least it should. I don't remember which one I took apart on video, but I don't remember if it was this one or what. But there we go. Successful rake made today. Awesome. The heart attack. Did a little engraving on my baby. They just made the heart attack. Bum bum bum.